In this video, I will introduce a very important and basic operation in organometallics, totally air-free transfer from one container to another. There are several key points to these operations. The Schneck line here, the Schneck flask or tube. Here I just use tree leg RB to substitute, but the reason is the same. And another is this, a double-ended needle. Compared with the normal needles, this needle is quite long and flexible, with two ends. But in this situation, we can see that it is clearly the space is too narrow. So I just use a flexible wire to institute. It is something like this. To begin with an air-free operation, you should first vacuum the system, as I have shown here. You can see that the values of the meters decrease at the first, and then it retro back slowly. And then I degas for another bottle with the solvents, waiting for the value to be stabilized at a certain degree. The limit is 1000 vacuum degree, while the smaller the number, the higher the vacuum degree. Generally, we need 500. Sometimes we need 300 or 200 or even higher. Now that the values of the vacuum degree has been stabilized, so now we begin with the operations. First, open up the nitrogen. And then switch from the gas to nitrogen filling. Enhance the flow of nitrogen. Thrust the flexible wire to both of the bottles. The process of liquid transfer is caused by different pressure in the two bottles. To achieve this, first we should immerse the end of wire here to the liquid surface. And then reduce the nitrogen flow on another bottle. We can see here the pressure, the degree of pressure from these two bottles is not able to suppress the liquid to this bottle. At such point, maybe the nitrogen flow should still be enhanced. If it is still not allowed, maybe the wire has been clogged. At such a situation, we may add some vacuum to this bottle. facilitate this process. Now we can see that the transfer has already begun. But its speed will be lower down because the pressure on this bottle will be higher and higher. Sometimes if we can have enough strong nitrogen flow to make a much higher pressure than the atmospheric pressure, then we can add a little here to make the pressure in this bottle equal to the air pressure. But in this system, it is not the situation. And finally, how if we want to end this process? For here, the transfer is still going on. If we like to end this process, then we just transfer the nitrogen flow on for this bottle. The process will be ceased, and it is the simple model of how to do an air-free liquid transfer. That's all. Thank you.